All right, Zach Miller from Tearsheet back. This is a fun part of our show. It feels good at the end of a day. I mean, there was a lot of learning going on. I mean, like that, especially what Nick Thomas just said about applying data aggregation and some of the same thinking we are applying to open banking and our modern financial system, and applying that to the metaverse was just, I think, it was helped to stretch the thinking around where this may all be headed. Anyway, we like to end our awards programs, our conferences with our awards programs. And it's an opportunity for us to identify and acknowledge and celebrate the companies and the people that are doing awesome things in our industry. A lot of time we have our heads down, really churning stuff out. We don't necessarily get the industry recognition all the time. It feels really good though when you do. Having been the recipient and the bestower of this type of these types of awards, I know what it means to a team. I know what it means to a company to be able to differentiate yourself by saying, "Hey, listen, we were acknowledged by an industry source, a trusted and respected source like Tearsheet, and our judges to be able to say like, hey, we did this." So what we like to do is bring people up and just chat a little bit as they get their award. It's a little bit we can do online to make it approximate a real award ceremony. So we're going to start. So I'll tell you before we start, I'll tell you the categories of the awards we had this year. So we had Best Alternative Data Product. Just trying to get the spreadsheet here. Data Company of the Year, Best Customer Data Implementation Award, a Data Innovation Award, Best Data Aggregator / Bank Partnership Award, and Best New Alternative Data Product. So we'll start with Best Alternative Data Product, and that goes to, probably have to slide over, to Argyle. And let's bring up Connor here to accept the award. Come on down, Connor.
Hey, Zach. Thank you so much for the opportunity to, one, allow our COO to speak earlier today about kind of the promise of payroll data and kind of the ownership there and some of the fun nuances associated with it. And secondly, thank you so much for this award. I think we're extremely gracious to receive it, and I think pays recognition to some of the work that we're trying to do in the alternative data space. Thinking about kind of historically where lenders, banks, other financial institutions have focused on kind of just looking at kind of a credit score, and then more recently starting to advance thinking towards kind of transaction data in the banking space. We're extremely excited to bring to bear kind of payroll data, particularly for underserved markets, as you think about gig workers or 1099 workers who, historically have had a ton of difficulty proving their income, proving their stability, and securing access to fair financial products. And so I think that's where we're really excited to lean in, continue focusing, both kind of in the traditional lending space, as well as supporting fintechs as they bring new innovative products to market to serve this growing and quite underserved demographic. So all that to say, thank you so much for the recognition here. We're very grateful to receive the recognition and excited to
congratulations. Yeah, Connor, what do you do at Argyle?
So good premise here. I'm the director of solutions for our mortgage and banking verticals. So partner with those clients closely to ensure that we have a tailored product for kind of the nuances of each individual vertical, as well as, on the mortgage side, working with a lot of our partners in the space, be they POS, LOS platforms, and then the GSEs, of course.
Awesome. Well, congratulations to you and Argyle. I mean, it was great to hear, like you said, from Billy earlier today, and congratulations for an award well earned.
Thank you very much. We look forward to continue doing the work. Thanks a lot, Zach. I appreciate you all and the Tearsheet team.
Awesome, man. Congratulations. Okay, so next up, we have got the award for Data Company of the Year, and that goes to Nick Thomas and MasterCard. So let's bring Nick. We just heard from Nick actually in the last session, so that works out pretty well. Hopefully Nick didn't go anywhere. Welcome back, Nick.
Thank you, Zach.
There he is. So what makes MasterCard the data company of the year? I know you're working on a ton of stuff.
Well, I think what's really relevant about MasterCard is that they've been a payment company for such a long time, and it is a behemoth. It's an amazing platform. Mm-hmm. And so the fact that they would acquire Finicity, they acquired Aya, they've acquired Ekata, and they are investing heavily into this market and into the opportunities that we've talked about today. MasterCard is all in, and it meets every aspect of MasterCard's vision. And I'm not like a shill for MasterCard. I guess I'm supposed to be, but as an entrepreneur. But honestly, the reason that we partnered with them was because they got it. And and the cool thing is that they have the platform to really make it happen at scale, which is super cool.
So when you were in the early days of Finicity, as you were starting out, did you imagine you'd be working on this at this scale with MasterCard at this point?
I dreamed about making payroll.
Wow. As an entrepreneur, I know exactly what you're saying. Wow. What's next? I know it's a global platform, as you said, large. Like what are your big, hairy, audacious goals?
Well, I think it's really the continued expansion of lend, pay, and manage, really the three core pillars. And then when you bring, digital identity and, consent and, really driving this future, a future where consumers are in control, businesses are in control of their data. That's cool. That's a cool place to be. And everyone that I talk to about it, I literally am not a pitch guy, but it's just MasterCard's got it, and they're investing heavily. And so the future is global open banking, and MasterCard's all over it.
Amazing. Congratulations for winning the Data Company of the Year, Nick.
Thank you.
Okay, moving right along. Let's see what we got next. Okay. Let's see. Just want to call up people who are here. So we have an award called the Data Innovation Award. This one, interestingly, went to an application from that two of the top data aggregators in the space submitted together, Fiserv and MX. They won this year's Dataday Data Innovation Award. So let's bring up Justin and Brett. Justin from Fiserv. Let's bring up Brent from MX. Oh, let me change that. You guys able to come on screen? Hey, Justin.
Hey, Zach. How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Very good.
Just waiting for Brent to make his way here.
Looks like we've got Brent too.
Good afternoon, Zach. I'm here.
The whole team is here.
Whole team is here.
Congratulations, guys. Data Innovation Award. Let's talk about it. What are you guys doing?
Thanks. So hear about All Data Connect, right? We've been talking about it a lot and partnered with MX. MX is the first company that's using All Data Connect to get access to that direct tokenized data and take credentials out of the ecosystem. It's a big goal for both of our organizations to bring forward a connected and frictionless and secure system for consumers to share their data and use the apps that they enjoy and they know and love. And really proud to be working with MX to make this a reality and bring it to the market.
Awesome. And Brent, what has that enabled you guys to do at MX?
Well, fully reciprocated on this side. And Zach, first, I'd be amiss if I didn't say thank you to you.
You're welcome. Congratulations.
The Tearsheet team for the consideration and the recognition. We're excited about where we're at as an organization, but also working collectively with partners such as Fiserv in the open finance space. And when you look at some of our individual and collective efforts in really breaking open that antiquated legacy system and really leaning in and helping drive forward the open finance ecosystem, and ultimately with that goal of empowering the world to be financially strong, we couldn't ask for a better partner in the form of Fiserv, what they're doing with, as Justin mentioned, All Data Connect, and then specifically what we're doing on our end with our MX Access solution and initiative. It's exciting as we're taking that data and really empowering our collective customers, whether it be an FI, whether it be a fintech, but most importantly, a consumer with the ability to control and really empower their financial lives off of that data and the actionable insights that come about as a result of it.
Sounds like a powerful partnership. Thank you guys so much, and congratulations.
Well, thank you, Zach.
Thank you very much, Zach. Thanks, Tearsheet team.
To Fiserv and MX. Let's let you guys go. Okay, next up, we've got the Best Aggregator Bank Partnership Award, and that goes to Plaid. And we heard from Ali Yaris today, so that works out well. Come on down. Hello. Hi. Good to see you again. Congratulations.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
So let's talk a little bit about what you guys are doing in that space.
Yeah, absolutely. This is such I think a special award and such a cool partnership. If folks were listening in earlier to the conversation, we were talking a lot about how do we build API connectivity with all sorts of partners in the ecosystem. And I think the Green Dot relationship is the perfect example of building API connectivity to support consumers who've often been left out of the financial ecosystem more broadly. And just really excited to see how this grows into the future and bring on other types of partners to replicate on this success.
Amazing. Is this a type of model relationship that you'd look to extend into other types of relationships, as you're saying, in the future?
Yeah, absolutely. I think Plaid obviously has an ecosystem of 6,000 plus developers in the Plaid network, and having more and more partners play both sides of the ecosystem, both as developers, but also as data providers, and really enabling that 360 ecosystem is the future that I think really fuels that construct of open finance.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Alan. Congratulations to you, Plaid, and with the project with Green Dot, and congratulations for winning the award this year.
Cool. Thanks.
Okay, let's see who else we've got. Okay. Is Kat here? No. Just so we can, for completeness, for our award, doing a lot of things at once. For our Best Customer Data Implementation Award, that went to Cabbage from American Express this year. Kat Lynn, the Vice President of Product and UX for Cabbage from American Express, was supposed to be here to accept the award, but that went to Cabbage from American Express. Best Customer Data Implementation Award. And then we have, I think, one more award. Is Priya here? Yes. Priya, Best New Alternative Data Product. Oh, Kat's here. I'll bring you up right after Priya. Sorry about that. Hi, Priya.
Yeah.
Hey, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Just to introduce myself, I'm Priya, and I lead our product and design team at Nova Credit. Super awesome honor to be here on behalf of our flagship product, which is the Credit Passport, which basically enables.
Tell us about it. Yeah.
Absolutely. It enables newcomers coming to the United States to bring their foreign financial credit history with them in a seamless fashion, partnering with lending institutions like American Express and Prodigy and Empower across all verticals. And actually, as of last month, we are no longer just serving newcomers coming to the US, but also newcomers moving globally since we global
the other
bank
direction.
Yes, the other direction. Yeah. So there's a lot of exciting stuff happening on the Credit Passport side, and so happy to be here representing and for this award. Thank you.
Well, congratulations. I know Nova Credit finds its way into our coverage at Tearsheet. Different stories that we have covered you guys and the impact that you're having on people that could really use it. And congratulations. You solved a problem that I have friends I know that have gone through that, and amazing product. Congratulations.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thanks,
Appreciate it.
Yep. Let you go. And let's bring Catherine up. I don't see you in the list, Catherine. Oh, by audio. The number, okay. I can allow you to talk. I guess I could do that. Catherine, are you there?
Hey, Zach, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
All right. Yeah, I am here, but I just dialed. I'm on video too, but it just, technology.
Yeah, we've had a little bit of a bear with Zoom today. I don't see you in the list. Otherwise, I'd bring you up.
I can give you my participant ID if it matters, or I can just say some things if you'd like.
Yeah,
whatever
no, it's
makes
okay.
life easier for you.
I would love to see you on screen. I don't see another way around it. So we'll make the best we can do here. Congratulations for winning the Best Customer Data Implementation Award.
Thank you so much. It's super exciting. And I have to say, we're really honored and thrilled to accept this award. Kabbage is filled with employees that are truly passionate about building products that help serve small businesses. Mm-hmm. So this is very exciting.
And so maybe you could tell us a little bit about how you use data to service small businesses.
Yeah, absolutely. So small business owners, they start their company because they want to make a living pursuing their passion, not because they want to spend the time managing their cash flow. So if I start a bakery company, right, I want to spend time making cupcakes and not trying to figure out what my cash flow is doing. And so how we use data is we're able to connect into all of the different various products, both at American Express and Kabbage, but also external card data, external bank accounts, all of the different products that small businesses use to run their business. And we're able to forecast, track, and analyze the cash flow of these different small businesses 24/7. And so we're really focused on how can we, take that cash flow analysis out of the day-to-day from the small businesses standpoint and help be able to show different money movement opportunities in advance, or help them, allow them to have the products that they need at their fingertips to take action.
Amazing. And I've heard from small business owners in our coverage of Kabbage, how smooth that process is and how data helps to empower that process. So amazing product, and congratulations for winning this year's award.
Thank you so much. It's super exciting. And thank you again. It's wonderful to have recognition in this way, especially, working in this industry like you talked about earlier. It's just nice to have other peers kind of see what you're doing.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, Catherine.